Once upon a time, there was a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers had a very unusual talent. Every time Whiskers sneezed, something turned invisible. One sunny day, Whiskers was playing with toys. Achoo! Whiskers sneezed, and a toy disappeared. Whiskers was surprised but curious about his sneeze. Outside, Whiskers saw a big, tasty cookie. Achoo! Sneezed, and the cookie was gone. A curious kid named Timmy watched Whiskers. Timmy found his shoe missing, thanks to Whiskers. "Oh no, my shoe has vanished," said Timmy. Whiskers sneezed, and invisible objects reappeared. Everyone laughed about the sneezing cat's magic. Whiskers promised to be careful when sneezing. Together, Timmy and Whiskers solved sneeze puzzles. They had much fun making things invisible and visible